and welcome back to my channel. I have got a special guest with me today and she has flown all the way from India, Chennai to be in my kitchen. So please welcome Aruna Vijay.
Hello. So lovely to be here.
I know. So we have been chatting on Instagram for so long, isn't it?
Yeah.
A few years.
Few years now, yeah.
She's visiting London and I said you must come and make her special recipe for us. So what are you making?
We are making a chettinad mushrooms, but like in between the slices, your version of it.
Yeah.
So we're making a nice spice mix with all these amazing spices here, which is going to be sauteed, freshly ground, and make a nice spice blend. And we cook the mushrooms in it, and then you will make the sandwich.
Yeah,
yes,
vegetarian.
I'm a vegetarian, so it's a proper vegetarian. You can say vegan if you skip the yogurt part.
Yeah, but you can get like coconut yogurt and soya yogurt and all that stuff these days. So they can still make it with different yogurt, but yeah.
But yeah, it's a nice spicy mushroom, I think, which you can just have it as is with your roti, rice, anything. I think it's a great one.
Okay, let's get cooking. Before that, don't forget the drill. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell button, and let's get cooking. Yay!
So here we're making a chettinad mushroom masala. We have pepper, cumin, fennel, coriander, cinnamon, star anise, just a small bit, 2 cloves, which is lost somewhere here, and poppy seeds, and curry leaves and chili. Now you can adjust the chili and pepper according to your preference, but I'd suggest go high on your pepper and low on your chili.
So I would think that everything is kind of similar quantity, like similar fennel.
Yeah, this is 2 tablespoons. This is on the higher side.
Okay.
Then this.
So that looks like 1 teaspoon.
1 teaspoon, 1 teaspoon, 1 teaspoon. This is tablespoon.
Yeah.
This is about 6 to 7.
Okay.
Now it depends on which chili you're using. Now these are flat ones. These are kind of spicier, so use less. If you're using a Bedigi or a Kashmiri, you can go about 10 chilies. They're not so spicy.
Unfortunately, we don't get like varieties in here where I live.
Okay.
Maybe in London.
Yeah, so it depends wherever you are. So depends on how spicy your chilies are. You can adjust curry leaves and poppy seeds. Again, I know a lot of countries it's not allowed.
Yeah.
Skip it, it's okay.
Really?
Yeah, a lot of countries you can't take poppy seeds in.
Yeah. Oh, wow.
So yeah, we can skip that as well.
Okay, so you're just going to dry roast them.
And again, coconut is optional. If you have like dry grated coconut, put it and you can saute it.
I have got dried like desiccated coconut.
So where I would use coconut is if I'm making a gravy. Now if you're making a more dry sabzi, if I'm making a gravy, I wouldn't add water while grinding the masala. Here I'm doing a dry grinding. If I'm making a gravy, then I add water while grinding because I'm adding coconut. So I make a gravy and my sabzi will be more like a gravy sabzi which I can eat with my chapati. Now because this is going inside a bread, I'm keeping as a dry spice which I can use later as well in any sabzi I want. Yeah, so basically just add everything on low flame. We will saute till it's aromatic.
Okay. Do you use a machine to grind or do we do a pestle and mortar?
I think who goes to the gym? I don't. So the person who goes to the gym can do the hard job.
Pestle and mortar because I prefer pestle and mortar. I don't have a proper spice grinding machine.
So I'm not the gym person, so I'm not saying anything. You know who is going to do it.
No, I'll do it. So what? Just till you can smell them and it goes slightly golden.
Yeah. The pan is already hot. We don't want to burn the spices, so we will go nice and slow on this.
Okay. That smells lovely. If people don't have fresh curry leaves, can they use dried?
Yeah.
Okay.
In India, we just take it for granted because we get it free from our sabzi wale bhaiya. You see that? They're getting crispy.
Yeah.
So which means we are kind of ready.
Okay. So I'm going to say that let it cool if I'm using this. Just let it cool for 2 minutes because we can do some other prep, I'm guessing.
Yeah. Okay, we can.
So I'm just going to move it here. And then there you go. We'll crush it in a minute once it's cooled down. Till then, we'll just prepare some onions. Right, so 1 onion and 3 to 4 garlic cloves, right?
Yeah.
How do you want it?
Finely diced.
Yeah, so people here know how my finely diced is, which is not very finely, but people at home, please do
like however fine you can. It's fine and we're going to get sauteed in.
And garlic, just...
Again, finely chopped.
Okay.
I would say your chopping skills are better than mine for sure.
It's all practice, isn't it?
Yeah. So that's finely diced garlic. You can use ginger if you want. It's complete. Also, we could use like half a tomato just to make it a little gravy, not like so that it's not too dry.
I've got a tiny
one.
So yeah, I'll get it.
Okay.
So do we cook all this together or like one at a time?
One at a time. Okay. Onion, then the garlic, and then
the
mushrooms.
What sort of oil do you use?
It depends on what cuisine.
I've just got olive oil. I've got sunflower oil if you want.
Anything is fine.
Okay.
So here I'm using olive oil, but basically use any oil that you have at home. Sunflower oil, vegetable oil, anything works.
And what do you actually use when you are cooking at home for
It
yourself?
really depends on what cuisine I'm cooking. If I'm using South Indian, then
it's for South Indian. I mean.
It's groundnut oil and sesame oil. If I'm making Marwadi khana, then it is always ghee. And South Indian, of course, coconut oil as well. And then I have olive oil. So I have groundnut, sesame oil, coconut oil, ghee, olive oil. So that goes in the onions. So we can put both together.
Okay. So while this is cooking, we can chop up the mushrooms. How much mushrooms did you want?
One box, about 200 grams, because they would kind of cook down. And I'll make about 2 or 3 sandwiches.
Okay. So we have bought button mushrooms. You can use whatever mushrooms you want.
Yeah.
And that is actually 200 grams. So how do you want these mushrooms chopped? Just like...
Roughly chopped, but yeah, because it's, yeah.
Okay. So I'm just going to chop how I usually do the mushroom because they're going to wilt down
anyway, yeah.
Okay. So this is really, guys, this is going to wilt down a lot. Obviously, you know, if you've cooked mushroom before. Do you think if we cook all the mushrooms, which is 400, the onions are not enough for that?
Yes, I think they won't be enough.
Right, so mushrooms are done, onions are done.
Yeah, you can
are
just
we gonna
throw them in. Yeah. Okay, here we go. So I made her do all the chopping.
That's fine. You are the guest.
Yes, here. So yeah, that's all the button mushrooms. You can use any mushrooms you have. I think oyster all works really well. More umami, better.
So
you know something?
now?
I don't like mushrooms.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh, I love mushrooms.
Yeah. I just realized that I don't like umami flavor.
Oh.
Yeah, I know, strange. So yeah, here we go. We're waiting for it to like...
It'll take a few minutes.
But just try and do this on high flame and not very slow flame. So yeah, medium to high flame.
Guys, so this has been sitting for 10 minutes. It's nice and dry. I think if you just let it cool down with any spiced bits, it becomes crispy and then it's much easier and better to crush. So I'm going to cover it and then get it. Do you want it fine?
Well, yeah, a little bit fine. So we're adding like half, a small tomato or like a half tomato of the big one.
Okay.
Just for that little masala to cook. At this stage, after 2 minutes, I can also add some turmeric and salt. So here, thoda sa haldi. Because we have all the other spices there.
Yeah.
And also you could add rai in the tadka, which I think I forgot, but it's fine. So I'll go slow on the salt because I want to add later as well. Okay. So yeah. Now we'll cook it for some more time.
Okay. Yeah. I'll get back to my crushing the spice blend. It's getting there slowly. Right, guys. Aruna says I'm going to sneeze.
But I think it's smelling really good, that spice powder.
Okay, so we've left it a bit
coarse, slightly, I would say.
Just very slightly.
So here the mushrooms, so onion, garlic, mushroom, tomatoes, all have cooked. You can see it's almost like half its quantity now.
Yeah.
So I think at this stage, and I've also added some turmeric and salt. At this stage, I'm going about 2 tablespoons of the masala. Wow. You can taste and add how much you want it.
Okay.
So that's good. I'll just taste and see if I want more of it. Maybe you should taste because I really...
No, I don't taste.
You don't?
No, I don't taste while cooking.
Oh my God!
Yeah.
No, I'm
so
somebody...
God knows what you're eating there.
I don't know. Maybe I just cannot serve without tasting my food.
Everyone I know tastes their food. I just can't do it.
Okay, I'm just going at 1 more spoon, I think. I don't know how spicy this is going to get. So, my grandmother-in-law would say, like in Marwadi, she'll say, Bindani te chak chak mein khano khatam kar do. I'm tasting, I'm cooking. She's like, Bindani baskar, how much will you taste? So that's me till I don't reach that level of like, okay, what I'm looking for.
Yeah.
I keep tasting my food.
When I went to do research for my last book that I wrote about vegetarian food, every household, so I go to Indian kitchens and then I cook with the ladies and whoever in the house cooks. And everyone would taste after every
step.
So every step. You guys know, I just can't, so they know I don't taste it till I'm
just
completely cooked.
You're a pro.
But it's just, I'm not, it's a habit I haven't developed and I think it's stupid. It's silly because I cook when I do events or if I'm having a party and things like that. I don't taste, which is really
risky.
But you know, what's the worst that's going to happen? A bit of extra salt needed and things like that. So that's fine. Let us know in the comments whether you like to taste while you're cooking or you are just going with your sixth senses.
So yeah, like Chetna doesn't taste her food, but sorry, I do taste my food.
Why sorry? You should taste
Okay,
your food.
I think I'm going to turn off the heat at this point because it's done. We
So
don't want it dry.
This with roti will be delicious.
You can add cream,
Yeah,
more
and then-
gravy, or add some dahi to make it more gravy,
Yeah.
or just add more tomatoes at the beginning along with onion.
Yeah, so
So
it
you make a nice
becomes
gravy and
watery,
then you
yeah.
add the...
Oh my god, that looks delicious.
Okay, we are kind of done.
So now shall I get the sourdough slices ready?
Yes.
Okay. So this is the fresh sourdough bread I picked up from the bakery. I actually did a video on the bakery, guys. So if you want to check out the behind the scenes, how this is made, then the video is on the channel. And you can tell it's made this morning because it's so soft inside. Two nice slices.
I love that. Oh.
Look at that.
I'm just going to toast the bread. A little bit of olive oil. So you can go a little more.
Because we've got two slices.
Yeah.
anyways.
Okay, that's good enough. So actually I forgot to add the mustard seeds in the sabzi.
Okay.
So I'm adding thoda sa here.
I think it tastes very good with bread.
Yeah, so and some curry leaves. Then, and I'm going to add a sprinkle of this masala on the bread.
Oh, lovely.
So that we have some flavor there. The bread is going to do half the job. It's so beautiful. Dill, I think, goes really well with this one.
Yeah,
So
it does.
don't judge my chopping skills here.
That's fine.
Okay, so here we go.
I think this will make what? I think this will make two sandwiches.
Yeah, two sandwiches.
So if you just make yogurt enough for two sandwiches, that will be
I think,
fine.
yeah.
So that's two sandwiches.
We got
The
some
bread is
color
looking
on the bread.
gorgeous. Just
At
one
this
moment.
stage, I want to just sprinkle a little bit of this masala that we made so that we have some flavor in the bread as well. This is completely optional. You can choose not to do it as well.
Why would you not choose this? It shouldn't be optional.
It's like I
It's
love
not
the-
optional, guys.
Okay, because this is like spicy and we just want some flavor in the bread as well. So like, I think this is good enough for
Yeah, two.
two, right? Yeah. That beautiful chopped dill. You can add any spice you want.
But we've got so much spice in the sandwich. We don't.
Yeah, we
really
don't want anything
more
here.
Clashing.
No, because we're using yogurt here because the
Filling,
masala is
acha.
spicy. So this kind of mellows it down. You could use cream cheese, you could use anything you want at this stage. Here we go, this is our toasted bread with some of that masala. And here's the dahi and dil ka mixture. Now because Chetna didn't taste the masala earlier, I'm a little worried.
Oh my god, you're such an expert. It's going to be delicious.
No, I don't know about that part, but
Wow, that looks lovely.
okay. And then, so we go a little generous with the mushroom masala. Now the spice mix we made, we can use it for any other sabzi you want. That's good enough. And then, here we go!
Wow. Perfect. That looks amazing, guys. That looks, my kitchen smells amazing. This looks amazing. It's vegetarian, so most of you will be very happy about it. And yes, you can skip the yogurt and make it vegan as well. Right, guys, it's time to taste.
Yes.
You got the crunchy side. I got the meaty mushroom side. Oh no, that's so good. It's got a warming taste like that. I'm gonna make that spice mix. What's the other combination you use that spice mix for?
If I'm sauteing any vegetable like a raw banana, you can just add it like a poriyal that you would make.
I know you're vegetarian, but that with chicken will be so That's so good, guys. Makes the spice mix and store it and keep it for your other vegetables.
Yeah, I suggest you make small batches because you know the fresh ones taste really good. Like this would go for like 2-3 days, so it's fresh. South India, most of the masalas that we make is mostly fresh.
Really?
For sambar, for rasam. Of course, there are family who make sambar masala and keep. Even I do have. But when I have to make something special, I make something called the aruchavitta sambar, which means freshly ground masalas added to the sambar. So that tastes different from a regular sambar masala wala sambar.
Really? Wow. I have so much to learn. Guys, please try this. Please try this Chettinad spice mix.
Yeah.
And let us know your thoughts in the comments. Do you have a YouTube channel?
Yes, I do.
Sorry, I will put the link to Aruna's YouTube channel and Instagram in the description. So please do check it out. And thank you so much for watching. Bye.
Bye-bye.